Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT login problem. Are you having trouble logging ChatGPT? Don't worry, this is a common issue and you can easily fix it in few easy steps. First, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your phone. This will open Control Center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for the 10 seconds and turn it back off. Now refresh the page or restart the app. If you are using browser, reload the page. If you are using the app, close it completely and reopen it. This fixes many temporary glitches. Now double check your login details. Make sure your email and password are correct. Type please. If you forget your password, tap forget password and reset it. If you are signed in with Google, Apple or Microsoft, make sure you're logged into the account on your device. If not, sign it first, then try ChatGPT again. Another important step is to clear your data, browser cookies if you are using ChatGPT on browser. Old data can stop the login process for working properly. You can also check for the updates. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open it. If you see any update, tap it and outdated app can cause login problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.